Can an LLC choose how to be taxed? Yes, an LLC has flexibility in how it is taxed. By default, a single member LLC is taxed like a sole proprietorship, and a multi-member LLC is taxed like a partnership. In both cases, profits and losses pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. However, an LLC can also elect to be taxed as a corporation. By filing Form 8832, it can choose C Corporation taxation, where the LLC itself pays corporate taxes. Or by filing Form 2553, it can elect S Corporation taxation, which allows owners to pay themselves a salary and take additional profits as distributions that are not subject to self-employment tax. This flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of an LLC, as it allows business owners to pick the tax structure that works best for their income level and growth plans. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you choose the tax election that makes the most sense for your business. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.